Hello, good day, Miss Vinnie Iris Ermac. Will you please introduce yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. My name is Vinnie Iris Irma. I'm 44 years of age. I have two children, age 11 years old boy and 19 years old girl. I have a live-in partner. I'm undergraduate of Bachelor of Arts, major of Sociology. I'm working in Hong Kong for 5 years. I do take care of newborn baby. I'm the one to feed the baby, change the diaper, take about the baby, and also I take care of 4 years old boy. I'm the one to cook their breakfast. I'm the one to send and pick up them in the school. Then I'm the one to do household chores, marketing, cooking, and I do my best to reach your satisfaction if you hired me. I'm trustworthy, flexible, fast learner, and honest.
Okay, what Chinese food do you prefer?
Sometimes I prepared steamed fish, steamed egg, stir fry,
Yes.
and dumpling, sushi. I do also in the soap, Chinese soap.
Okay, how do you take care the newborn baby?
I take care of the newborn baby, and when the baby keep on crying, I feed him with the milk of one scoop and one scoop and 1 ounce of water, the measurement, and I feed them 4 to 5 hours if they if the baby is hungry, and I do it in take a bath. I do it in the white and wet and dry clothes for take a bath, and I do in the temperature of the 37 degrees. I check the water before I do steps of taking about the baby.
Okay, what will you do if if the baby don't cry, don't stop crying?
I check the tummy, mom, if the
Yes.
tummy is there's an air, and I check the diaper if it's full of the poo or full of the wee.
Okay, okay, that's good. Do you know how to sing the nursery rhyme for the baby?
Yes, mom, I know it.
Okay, can you sing a sample of that?
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes,
Okay, thank you. Very good.
Thank you.